Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Spark of Vintage. Today is a super exciting day because we are doing our red, white, and beautiful chair makeover for the summer season. You may remember from some of my previous videos that we were inspired by Country Sampler Farmhouse Magazine's vignette chairs last Christmas. Well, the members of Sonnet'S Garden Blooms decided we wanted to do our own Deck the Chairs challenge. And it was so much fun and so successful that we did another chair challenge in March this year called A Chair in Bloom. Well, we couldn't stand it. We had to do it again. So we all went out to find our own summer chair and to turn it into something that was red, white, and beautiful for this challenge. I went a little bit smaller with my chair this time around and chose a child's wood rocker. I love this piece, but it definitely needed a makeover. It had a lot of water staining on it. It was in great shape. The bones were good, but it needed that little freshness. So I used the Highlander Fusion Mineral Paint in the beautiful color red. And then for my blue, I chose a DIY paint called Hey Sailor. I just love the richness of that deep blue color from DIY. And for my white, I used Snowdrop from Fusion Mineral Paint. I didn't prime the chair at all. I just alternated using the Fusion paint as well as the DIY as I started to pull it all together. I used 2 coats of the DIY as well as 2 coats of the Fusion Mineral Paint, and I did put a sealer on it when it was complete. I didn't get the opportunity to film me placing the white stars on the chair, but I did stamp those with a Tim Holtz Christmas stamp using, again, the Snowdrop paint from Fusion Mineral. Well, I was so happy with how it came out. The paints sealed beautifully, and I could just see it on a porch this summer with a little country girl or boy sitting out there at night watching the fireworks. We were also challenged to create a vignette to go with the chair, and several of my items were made using the May 2026 Sonnet'S Garden Blooms Maker's Box. So a lot of the items you see here are ones that I made just for this vignette. And I just couldn't wait to get it into my booth at Collins Street Junctions in Plant City, Florida. Well, that is a wrap for this chair challenge, red, white, and beautiful. I had a wonderful time making the chair. Thank you for watching, as always. And you know we'll be back in the fall with another chair challenge to round out 2026. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, and we'll see you again really soon.